9 counties through 1:30 p.m. At 1:14 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a cluster of strong thunderstorms near Armington, or 13 miles northeast of Lincoln, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and half-inch hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Delavan, Minear, Danvers, Hopedale, McLean, Stanford, Emden, Armington, Hartsburg, and Shirley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 6 and 19. Interstate 55 between mile markers 143 and 158. Interstate 74 between mile markers 133 and 136. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The time is currently